Ripoti ya gikuũ kĩa MUCIRITHANIA David Majanja yamukiritwo na kimako kinene kieha na ihoru ikihumba ruhonge rwa magoti arata oro ũndũ ũmwe na andũ a nyũmba yake. Matongoretio ni MUCIRITHANIA munene Martha KOOME. Maabitha ruhonge-ini ruru ni macakaĩte gikuũ kĩa Majanja uria kinyagia hindi ya gikuũ giake uratungataga igoti-ini inene ria Milimani.
The judge has left a profound mark on our justice institutions and on the rule of law. We have been privileged to witness his intense passion for the rule of law, for administering justice to all without fear and favor.
Majanja uria wamurirwo ta MUCIRITHANIA wa igoti nene mwaka wa 2011 anatungata igoti-ini ria Homa Bay, Migori, Kisumu na igoti-ini inene ria Kisii. Itemi riake rikiririkanwo ukinyaniria-ini wa mashira ngũrani.
Also the case of Kenya Bus Service Limited and another versus the Minister for Transport and two others in 2012, where he held that the mandatory 30 days notice of intention to sue the government is a violation of the right to access to justice and amounts to unjustified limitation of a right within a democratic society.
Thiini wa ndumiriri yake, mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto acakaĩte Majanja ta mundu urari na ucamba na mundu urehokeirwo ukinyaniria wa matua ma kiwatho. Gikundi kia mawakiri aria makoretwo makirutithania wira nake mamugwetete ta mundu urathingataga muno gukinyaniria kihoto arikio muthingi wake wa kiwira.
Justice Majanja was in fact the first judge in the division to deal with interpretation of constitutionalism, the rule of law, and upholding the human rights.
The station that the judge served, he has done his job with a great passion, with a great humility, with the principles espoused for the service of delivery under the Kenyan Constitution.
Ruhonge rwa magoti rugite ni rurahariria igongona ria kiririkano riri mibango ya kuhariria mathiko yambiriirie.
We hold a ceremony of closing of the file proceedings here in the judiciary, along with other memorial services in his honor. We will keep the public informed of the planned funeral arrangements so that we can provide friends, family, relatives an opportunity to wish and pay their last respects to our departed judge.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.